In this video, I'm testing 11 local LLMs to find the best one I can run on a single consumer GPU with 24 gigabytes of VRAM. All models are in the 15B to 35B parameter range, large enough for serious reasoning, but small enough to fit on a single GPU. I picked the 11 most popular and highest rated models in this size range as of April 2026. All 11 models were downloaded using LM Studio at Q4 quantization, and all tests were run on an RTX 3090 with 24 gigabytes of VRAM. Each model was tested on 5 categories: logical reasoning, creative writing, coding, instruction following, and accuracy, and evaluated on 5 metrics: logic, flow, format, facts, and speed. Before we get into the tests, let me quickly walk you through the testing methodology. Each model was tested in a completely isolated session, meaning I started a fresh chat before every single test. I set the temperature to 0 and top P to 1.0 to remove randomness from the outputs, making the comparison between models fair and reliable. I used the same simple system prompt across all 11 models. This way, no model had any advantage or additional context going into the tests. For the first test, I used this logic problem. It looks simple on the surface, but there are 3 traps hidden inside. Dolphins are mammals, not fish. Lobsters are crustaceans, not fish. And that blue marlin weighs 4.999999 pounds, which is just barely under the 5-pound limit. Let's see how each model performed on this test, starting from the worst. In 11th place, GLM 4.7 Flash with a score of 0 out of 5. The model entered an infinite loop and never even produced a final answer. In 10th place, LFM 224 BA2B with a score of 1 out of 5. It counted dolphins and lobsters as fish, and on top of that kept a flounder that was under the weight limit, arriving at a final answer of 15. In places 3 through 9, 7 models tied with a score of 2 out of 5. They all correctly handled the weight threshold and the blue marlin, but every single one counted dolphins and lobsters as fish, arriving at 12 instead of 9. In second place, Qwen 3.5, 35B, A3B with a score of 5 out of 5. It got the correct answer of 9, but significantly overthought the problem, rederiving the same conclusion multiple times before landing on the final answer. And in first place, Qwen 3.5, 27B, also with a score of 5 out of 5. It got the correct answer of 9, cleanly and efficiently, with no unnecessary reasoning. For the second test, creative writing, each model received the same prompt and was asked to write a short story between 150 and 250 words. Unlike the first test, there is no single correct answer here. The goal was to see which model could best capture the transition from a calm, mundane routine into something eerie and unsettling. Let's see how each model performed on this test, starting from the worst. In 11th place, DeepSeek R1, Distill Qwen, 32B. Even setting aside the word count, this story leans heavily on cliches and the ending falls completely flat. In places 3 through 10, the models delivered a range of results, from technically solid but uninspired to genuinely atmospheric but falling short in pacing or ending. In second place, Qwen 3.535 BA3B created a compelling story with a clever twist, reframing the lighthouse not as a warning to ships, but as a door to something ancient. And in first place, Qwen 3.527B created the most atmospheric and immersive story. Vivid sensory details, a perfect narrative, and an ending that genuinely unsettles. For the third test, coding, each model was asked to build a fully working reaction time test application from scratch, in a single HTML file using vanilla JavaScript only. The application had to handle multiple states, moving targets, anti-cheat logic, and precise timing, all without any external libraries. Let's see how each model performed, starting from the worst. In 10th place, tied GLM 4.7 Flash and Apriel 1.6 15B. Neither model managed to finish generating the code. In 9th place, DeepSeek R1. The code was generated but simply didn't run. In 8th place, Qwen 3.5, 35B, A3B. It generated a partial starting screen, but nothing beyond that worked. In 7th place, LFM2, 24B. The intro screen loaded correctly, but nothing happened when I clicked. In 6th place, NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Nano, 30B. The intro screen appeared, but clicking triggered a flashing green screen with multiple white balls flying around. In 5th place, Mistral Small 3.2. The application worked, but it was missing the too early warning during the red screen, and the ball speed was inconsistent between runs. In 4th place, Qwen 3 32B met all the requirements, but the ball moved extremely slowly, making the test nearly unusable. And in 1st place, tied GPT-OSS 20B, Qwen 3.5 27B, and Gemma 4 31B. All three produced fully working applications that met every single requirement perfectly. For the 4th test, I gave each model this writing prompt, simple on the surface, but with 4 strict constraints hidden inside that had to be followed precisely. Let's see how each model performed, starting from the worst. In 11th place, Qwen 3.5, 35B, A3B. It thought for over a minute and a half and failed to produce any answer at all. In 10th place, Qwen 3.5, 27B, passed the forbidden words and the T-rule, but missed the 25-word count on the second paragraph by 9 words. In 9th place, DeepSeek R1, which passed the other constraints but missed the word count by 6 words. In 8th place, Qwen 3, 32B passed everything else but missed the word count by 4 words. In 7th place, LFM2, 24B, missed the word count by 3 words. In 5th place, tied GLM 4.7 Flash and Gemma 4, 31B. Both missed the word count by just 2 words. In 4th place, Mistral Small 3.2, just 1 word short of the 25-word requirement. And in 1st place, tied NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Nano, 30B, Apriel 1.6, 15B, and GPT-OSS 20B. The only 3 models to hit exactly 25 words while passing every other constraint perfectly. For the 5th and final test, accuracy, each model was given a list of 10 statements and had to identify which ones were true and which were false. Let's see how each model performed, starting from the worst. In 11th place, Qwen 3.5, 35B, A3B. Once again, it thought for over a minute and a half and failed to produce any answer at all. In 4th place, tied GPT-OSS 20B, LFM2, 24B, Apriel 1.6, 15B, NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Nano, 30B, Mistral Small 3.2, DeepSeek R1, and GLM 4.7 Flash. All 7 scored 9 out of 10, each getting exactly 1 statement wrong. And in 1st place, tied Gemma 4, 31B, Qwen 3, 32B, and Qwen 3.5, 27B. The only 3 models to correctly identify all 10 statements. In the speed tests, among the non-thinking models, LFM 224B is the clear winner by a wide margin, followed by Mistral and Qwen 3.527B in the middle, with Gemma 4 at the bottom. And for the thinking models, GPT-OSS 20B takes the top spot, followed by GLM and Apriel in the middle tier, while Qwen 3.5, Nemotron, DeepSeek, and Qwen 3 trail significantly behind. And here are the final results. In 11th place, GLM 4.7, Flash 30B. In 10th place, DeepSeek R1, Distill Qwen 32B. In 9th place, LFM2 24B. In 8th place, Qwen 3.5 35B, A3B. In 7th place, Apriel 1.6, 15B. In 6th place, Nemotron 3 Nano, 30B. In 5th place, Mistral Small 3.2, 24B. In 4th place, GPT-OSS 20B. In 3rd place, Qwen 3, 32B. In 2nd place, Gemma 4, 31B. And in 1st place, Qwen 3.5, 27B.